Professor Sayyid Sultan Shah is an illustrious academic who received his PhD in Islamic learning from the Islamia University of Bahawalpur in 1999. He received his post-doc from the University of Glasgow in 2009 and 10. He served as the chairperson Department of Islamic Studies for 12 years and Dean of the Faculty of Languages for 2 tenures. He supervised 11 doctoral dissertations and more than 80 MPhil dissertations. He has published 14 books and penned down 168 research publications. He served as Warden Hostel thrice, chairperson of Financial Aid Committee for 13 years, convener of Works Committee, University Purchase Committee, and he has also served as the chairman Society's board. He will also be presented a cash award of rupees 100,000. In addition to it, Dr. Saab has donated 1,302 books and journals to the university library. The Best University Teacher Award in the Faculty of Chemistry and Life Sciences is being conferred on Professor Dr. Sayyida Shahida Batul Sahiba. Professor Dr. Sayyida Shahida Batul is a distinguished scholar and a trailblazer in the field of psychology. She holds a PhD in Applied Psychology from the University of Punjab and postdoc from the University of Sussex, UK. She served as the chairperson of the Department of Psychology from 2016 to 20. Currently, she serves as the Additional Secretary General of the Pakistan Psychological Association. Dr. Batul is renowned for her rigorous research with an impressive portfolio of 95 research articles published in esteemed national and international peer-reviewed journals. She has supervised 16 PhD scholars, 1 postdoctoral fellow, and over 160 MPhil, MSc, and BS research students. She also received the HSC Outstanding Research Paper Award in 2013 and 14 and the Lifetime Achievement Best Researcher Award in March 2022. Dr. Batul also served as the editor of the Pakistan Journal of Social and Clinical Psychology and is currently the external associate editor for the NUST Journal of Social Sciences and Humanities. She is a member of the American Psychological Association, a life member of Connecting Asia, and a member of the International Association of Applied Psychology. With her unwavering commitment to excellence in research, teaching, and professional development, Dr. Batul continues to inspire and shape the future of psychology in Pakistan and beyond. The university is going to present the award as well as the cash prize to Dr. Sahiba as well. The best university teacher in the Faculty of Arts and Social Sciences is Dr. Ahmed Raza Khan Sahab. Dr. Ahmed Raza Khan was instrumental in the establishment of the Department of Law in the year 2021. He also established the Department of International Relations in the year 2022, and he is serving as its in charge since then. He served the university as in charge of security from 2021 to 23. There are more than 300 students enrolled in his department, and he played a pivotal role in building bridges between his department and the embassies of Turkey and China in Islamabad as well as in Lahore. And due to his efforts, we received merit-based scholarships from these governments for the students of IR and political science. He has re-operationalized the Center of Excellence China Studies, which had gone non-functional due to COVID-19 since 2019. The Best University Teacher Award in the Faculty of Mathematical and Physical Sciences goes to Dr. Muhammad Afzal. Dr. Sahab won a fully funded PhD scholarship from Malaysian government in July 2009 and completed his PhD in Sustainable Biomaterial for Water Treatment from the Department of Chemical Engineering, University Technology Petronas, Malaysia in 2014. He joined STSC Government College University Lahore in 2015. He has published many research papers and book chapters on wastewater treatment, microbial activity and biomaterial. He has produced his first PhD student in July 2022. He has presented his work at various national and international conferences. We shall first present PhD degrees to the various recipients. Ms. Afira Waqar, Biotechnology. Ms. Sadia Mushtaq, Botany. Ms. Tahmeena Bashir, Botany. Ms. Taha Uruj, Botany. Mr. Jahangir Khan, Chemistry. Mr. Munawwar Hussain, Chemistry. Ms. Nabiha Nasrullah, Chemistry. Ms. Sumaira Shaukat, Chemistry. Mr. Muhammad Imranul Haq, Chemistry. Mr. Muhammad Abdullah, Chemistry. Ms. Sara Mahmood, Psychology. Ms. Nafcha Fatima, Psychology. Ms. Fawzia Akram, Psychology. Ms. Madiha Masood, Psychology. Ms. Maria Fatima, Psychology. Ms. Sania Kaukab, Psychology. Ms. Maham Imtiaz, Psychology. Ms. Sumaira Malik, Psychology. Ms. Nafis Akhtar, Psychology. Sayyid Meesam Ali, Psychology. Mr. Naveed Akhtar, Zoology. Ms. Suzaina Khan, Zoology. Miss Noreen Fatima, Zoology. Miss Asma Bashir Ahmed, Zoology. Miss Mehwish Muhyiddin, Zoology. Miss Saima Shaukat, Zoology. Mr. Muhammad Farooq Bhatti, Zoology. Miss Rabia Anjum, Zoology. Miss Nazish Muhyiddin, Environmental Science. Mr. Waqas Ahmed Khan, Environmental Science. Mr. Muhammad Salman Mukhtar, Environmental Science. Mr. Fazlur Rahman, Mathematics. Mr. Muhammad Wasim Asghar, Mathematics. Mr. Akhtar Hussain, Mathematics. Mr. Muhammad Farhan Hanif, Mathematics. Miss Uzma Khanum, Physics. Miss Saba Maqsood, Physics. Mr. Rana Muhammad Ayub, Physics. Mr. Hafiz Zishan Iqbal, Physics. Mr. Hafiz Hamid Raza, Physics. Miss Uruj Shoaib, Physics. Mr. Hafiz Muhammad Fahad, Physics. Mr. Muhammad Rizwan Sami, Physics. Mr. Imtiaz Ahmed, Economics. Mr. Muhammad Ibrahim Saeed, Economics. Mr. Ahmed Gulzar, Economics. Ms. Razia Yasmin, History. Mr. Muhammad Shafi Sahib, History. Ms. Nayab Ruby, Islamic Studies. Ms. Aisha Naeem, Islamic Studies. Ms. Faiza Kiran, Islamic Studies. Mr. Muhammad Umair Rauf, Islamic Studies. Ms. Humaira Naz, Islamic Studies. Mr. Rana Ahmed Raza, Islamic Studies. Mr. Hafiz Sifarish Ali, Islamic Studies. Mr. Muhammad Fayyaz, Islamic Studies. Mr. Tanveer Abbas, Islamic Studies. Mr. Asim Saeed, Urdu. Mr. Naveed Alam, Urdu. Mr. Muhammad Zishan Vakil, Urdu. Mr. Mohsin Nawaz Basra, Urdu. Mr. Muhammad Arsalan, Urdu. Miss Ishra Arshad, Urdu. Mr. Saklain Ahmed Khan, Urdu. Miss Anam Elahi Bhutta, Urdu. Mr. Hafiz Muhammad Junaid Raza, Urdu. We will now present medals to the distinction holders in various MPhil programs. Ms. Ayman Saifullah, medal for first position in MPhil Applied Physics. Mr. Muhammad Asghar Zain Riaz, medal for first position in MPhil Applied Physics. Ms. Lareb Fatima, medal for first position in MPhil Biotechnology. Mr. Muhammad Irfan, medal for first position in MPhil Biotechnology. Ms. Mariam Nawaz, medal for first position in MPhil Botany. Ms. Amna Ejaz, medal for first position in MPhil Botany. She is out of country, so her mother is going to receive her medal on her behalf. Ms. Arij Server, medal for first position in MPhil Chemistry. Ms. Mumtaz Fatima, medal for first position in MPhil Environmental Science. Mr. Muhammad Shoaib Idris, medal for first position in MPhil Electronics. Mr. Muhammad Sharjeel, medal for first position in MPhil Freshwater Biology, Fisheries and Aquaculture. Ms. Ikra Rani, medal for first position in MPhil Freshwater Biology, Fisheries and Aquaculture. Ms. Zunaira Asif, medal for first position in MPhil Mathematics. Mr. Muhammad Ali Haq, medal for first position in MPhil Mathematics. Ms. Hijab Zahra, medal for first position in MPhil Microbiology. Ms. Nageen Adnan, medal for first position in MPhil Physics. Mr. Usman Hamid, medal for first position in MPhil Physics. Ms. Khushbakht Zahra, medal for first position in MPhil Psychology. She is abroad for higher studies, so her aunt, Professor Dr. Sayyida Shahida Batul, is going to receive her medal on her behalf. Ms. Nida Razzaq, medal for first position in MPhil Statistics. Miss Varda Ali, medal for first position in MPhil Zoology. Miss Zoha Khalid, medal for first position in MPhil Zoology. Sayyida Rida Zahra Kazmi, medal for first position in MS Computer Science. Mr. Muhammad Shahriyar Shirazi, medal for first position in MS Computer Science. Miss Mahnoor Qadir, medal for first position in MS Geography. Mr. Ehsan Iqbal, medal for first position in MS Geography. Miss Aisha Khatib Khan, medal for first position in MS Geography. Mr. Shakil Ahmed, medal for first position in MS Industrial and Organizational Psychology. Miss Rida Mahmood, medal for first position in MS Clinical Psychology. Sayyid Ali Osija Naqvi, Professor Gurudat Sondhi Medal for being the overall Best Graduate of the Year 2024. Mr. Muhammad Abdullah, Professor Gurudat Sondhi Medal for being the overall Best Graduate of the Year 2024. Miss Anamta Shaukat, Dr. Saida Karamat Medal for being the overall Best Female Graduate of the Year 2024. Miss Mariam Siddiq, Dr. Saida Karamat Medal for being the overall Best Female Graduate of the Year 2024. Miss Habiba Fatima, medal for first position in MS Clinic Child Guidance and Educational Counseling. Please join us to give a huge round of applause to the recipients of PhD degrees, academic medals, and co-curricular medals. I request the Controller of Examinations to present a commemorative shield to the Honorable Vice Chancellor, Government College, University, Lahore.